The Boeing 787 Dreamliner offers several significant advantages, making it a popular choice among airlines and passengers alike. 1. Fuel efficiency. The Boeing 787 is designed with advanced aerodynamics and uses lightweight composite materials, about 50% of the aircraft's structure, reducing its weight and fuel consumption. It is up to 20 to 25% more fuel efficient than previous generation aircraft. 2. Improved passenger comfort. The 787 features a higher cabin humidity and lower cabin altitude, 6,000 feet compared to 8,000 feet on older planes, reducing passenger fatigue. Larger, dimmable windows, quieter engines, and advanced air filtration systems also enhance the passenger experience. 3. Longer range. The 787 Dreamliner has a long range, up to 7,530 to 8,500 nautical miles, depending on the variant. This allows airlines to operate more long-haul, direct routes, connecting cities that previously required stopovers. Operational cost savings. 4. Operational cost savings. The improved fuel efficiency, lower maintenance costs due to its advanced composite structure, and reliable engines, like the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 and GE Aviation GNX, help airlines reduce operational expenses. 5. Quiet and environmentally friendly. The 787 has significantly quieter engines and reduced noise pollution both inside the cabin and outside the aircraft. Additionally, its improved fuel efficiency leads to a smaller carbon footprint, making it a more environmentally friendly option. 6. Larger cargo capacity. The aircraft offers increased cargo space, providing airlines with opportunities for additional revenue from freight operations while still accommodating more passengers. 7. Flexibility for airlines. The Boeing 787 is available in multiple variants, such as the 787-8, 787-9, and 787-10, allowing airlines to choose the right model for different market demands, ranging from long-haul to medium-haul routes. 8. Technological advancements. The Dreamliner incorporates advanced systems, including fly-by-wire controls, modern flight decks with advanced displays, and real-time data monitoring. These innovations improve safety, reliability, and pilot efficiency. In summary, the Boeing 787 offers a balance of efficiency, passenger comfort, range, and operational savings, making it a transformative aircraft for modern commercial aviation.